Want your customers to come back regularly? You need to build a habit. And the best way to build a new habit is to piggyback on an existing one. It's called habit stacking. And in the next 3 minutes, you're going to learn what it is, why you should care, and how to use habit stacking to build high retention games and products. Let's dive in. Habit stacking means stacking a new habit on top of an existing one, or anchor habit, like brushing your teeth and then flossing, or eating dinner and then putting your plate in the dishwasher. The anchor habit is the trigger that reminds you to do the new habit, and then over time, the new habit becomes part of the routine. Habit stacking works because it's so much easier to piggyback on an existing habit rather than to try and build a brand new habit from scratch. As Tiny Habits author BJ Fogg says, the easier a behavior is to do, the more likely it is that behavior will become a habit. And Atomic Habits author James Clear elaborates. Habit stacking works so well because your existing habits are already built into your brain. Experts agree, habit stacking is a powerful strategy for changing behavior and improving your quality of life. And for us product and game designers, habit stacking is a powerful strategy for driving customer retention. Every high retention product is built around a sticky habit loop, some experience that draws you back again and again. If you want to leverage habit stacking, interview potential customers, and identify existing habits that are relevant to what you're building. Pay attention to the situation and context that triggers your customer's behavior, and notice what they want to get out of the experience. For instance, the team behind the meditation app Calm discovered that many people need help falling asleep. Calm's solution was to create a series of bedtime stories that lull adults to sleep. The anchor habit is getting ready for bed, and the desired outcome is falling asleep. So the team used that to build a sticky habit loop around a library of bedtime stories narrated by well-known actors and celebrities with soothing voices. And that's how habit stacking helped Calm become an indispensable part of many people's daily lives. And the same is true of Replika, a sophisticated AI chatbot that gets to know you over time and offers a variety of upgraded experiences. Early on, the Replika team discovered that their stickiest customers were lonely, imaginative young adults who often had trouble shutting off their thoughts and falling asleep. So they developed Replika to be the kind of friend who will nudge you toward positive behaviors and help you calm down and get to sleep when it's 1 a.m. and your mind is racing and you don't want to bother anyone. And that's how Replika used habit stacking to become indispensable. When you design around your customers' anchor habits and improve their experience, you have a real shot at becoming part of their routine. To learn more about how to build a sticky habit loop, watch this video next. See you soon.